Hi everyone. I just have a little quick tip for you today about cleaning your scissors when they get real gunked up with glue. These are not as bad as, as I have let them get before, but they've got adhesive on them from glue, also from tapes, you know, when I was making the tapes and I'm cutting the tape, and so it just gets real gummy and sticky there. And I think we all pretty much know that you can clean that off with alcohol or hand sanitizer and a paper towel, but I wanted to show you something I tried that actually works, and it helps you to clean your scissors more quickly. So if you have one of these adhesive erasers, they're so handy, they're so inexpensive, and if you take that and run it along the blade, you can get the majority of the gunk off of there. The solid parts like tape adhesive and stuff like that. So you can run it right along the edge of the, wherever you see, you know, along the scissor edge. And it actually, I mean, you can see that that took most of that tape residue and stuff off of the blade. And so I just do that on both sides and just literally like erasing the adhesive, and it ends up, you know, sticking to your eraser, and then you just pick it off and throw it away. And then I also go ahead and take an alcohol, like a little prep pad, and then I just wipe off anything that's left. And I do this just because it's quick and easy. You can put alcohol on a paper towel or something like that, a cotton ball or something if you want to, but you just want to, you know, of course, be really careful because you're working with the edge of a scissor blade. And I just, you know, run the alcohol pad over what's remaining, and they come out nice and clean and no more sticky residue, and the scissors work so much better. So just wanted to pass that along in case you guys hadn't thought of using your little adhesive eraser, because these things are like magic, man. But now they work real well. There's no sticking, no problem. So I do have some of these in my Amazon store. If anybody needs one, that you can get it there. You can pick them up anywhere craft supplies are sold. So that's my little tip for today. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.